In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify opening soon issue. If your store shows an opening soon page instead of your actual site, it's usually because Shopify's password protection is still turned on. I'll walk you through how to remove it, and if you're not quite ready to launch, how to set up a clean coming soon page instead. First, log into your Shopify account and head to your admin dashboard. This is your control center for everything store related. Before we make the site public, it's a good idea to confirm your basic store information so everything looks professional when visitors arrive. Open settings, then go to store details. Here, check that your store name and general info are correct and up to date. This is what customers will see in places like your storefront, order notifications, and checkout. Make any quick fixes now and save your changes so your brand presents the way you intend the moment it goes live. Next, let's remove the opening soon screen. In the left menu, go to Online Store, then Preferences. Scroll down to the password protection section. If password protection is enabled, your storefront is hidden from the public and only people with the password can view it. Toggle it off to make your site live. Save your changes, give it a moment, then open your store in a new browser tab or an incognito window to confirm the real homepage is visible. If you're not ready to launch but still want a polished presence, you can keep the store protected and set up a coming soon page. To do that, go to the Shopify App Store and install Pagefly Landing Page Builder. It's designed for quick drag and drop pages that look great without coding. Once Pagefly is installed, open it and choose a template. Search for or select a coming soon template to get a solid starting point. Now customize it, update the headline and message so they match your brand voice, adjust or add a countdown timer if you're working toward a specific launch date, and tweak the colors, fonts, and background to fit your style. Keep your text concise and clear. Let visitors know what's coming and why they should be excited. Preview on mobile as well to make sure everything is readable and visually balanced on smaller screens. That's it. Turning off password protection will remove the opening soon page, and using Pagefly lets you present a branded placeholder if you're still prepping behind the scenes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.